I'm to announce Thursday school.
Hey Trojan, 6 more weeks, Friday, April 27th from 6 to 9 at the Columbia Performing Arts Center, we have Shulapalooza 2018. But we wanted to do something a little bit different this year. In addition to my students' films, I want to open it up to students at Fife High School that might not be in my class that would still be interested in making a film. So, if you're interested in making a film, stop by my room next Tuesday, right after school, and pitch me your idea. If I like your idea and you're willing to put in the work to get trained, you can make a film. And if it's good, it may even make it into the festival. So once again, Shulapalooza, Friday the April 27th from 6 to 9. See you there.